This is a simple one-pot grounded beef pasta you need to try today, or a minced beef spaghetti. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef boss, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this grounded beef spaghetti. Let's go right into it. These are the most important ingredients you need: a tomato paste, a spaghetti, seasoning cube, cooking oil, grated pepper and tomato with ginger and garlic, onion, our grounded beef, our vegetables, and also if you want to purchase our meal plan, it has over 90 recipe. Kindly click the link in my bio. So in the pot we're going to add our cooking oil and also our sliced onion. Then we're going to mix together and allow it to saute for some seconds before we add our grounded beef. Next step is for us to mix together, and after 1 to 2 minutes, this is what we have. We're just trying to make sure it's properly seated inside our pot and it's properly getting cooked the way it should be. So we're going to add our grated pepper and tomato to this, our seasoning cube, and then we're going to mix together. So we're going to allow this sit between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat, and after that we're going to add our tomato paste to this. So make sure your tomato paste is properly dissolved and well combined with your grounded beef. Then we're going to allow it to sit for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next step is to add our vegetables, which is a combination of our carrots, green pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell peppers. So we're going to mix. As you can see, mind you, you can also use this as a sauce. You can just allow it to sit and then you can use it as a sauce, because currently it's all fully cooked, but we're going to set aside because we are using it to cook our minced beef spaghetti. So in another pot we're going to add our salt and then allow our water bring to a boil before we add our spaghetti. Mind you, you can use any kind of spaghetti of your choice. Make sure it is properly seated inside the pot, and then you cover and allow it to boil between 3 to 4 minutes on a medium heat. You don't want your pasta soggy, and also always make sure your sauce is ready before you boil your pasta in order for you not to have soggy spaghetti. At this stage my pasta is ready, so I'm just going to sieve it, pour it inside the pot, and then add my sauce to this. That is my minced beef sauce. Then we're just going to mix together until it is well and properly combined. This is easy, this is affordable, this is delicious. So after mixing together, we're just going to add our pasta water to this and allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. You don't want to overcook your pasta, on a low heat, and after that we're just going to mix together and then we're going to serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.